Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one and only, the indelible one, the Rainmaker, D.B.L. Nick's in the house, a.k.a. The Rainmaker, baby. The Rainmaker. The Rainmaker. And it's another episode of the groundbreaking, earth-shattering, moon-rocketing, sky-scraping show, Power Play, where we share our custom scanners from our private Banger Nation Discord with the streaming community so that we can get ourselves ready for Power Hour at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time through 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to determine whether or not these stocks have some gas in the tank. Let's take a look at ticker symbol PFSA. PFSA ran up 253% today. It had no news, but we do expect quarterly earnings in Q2 earnings in 14 days, and you can see that it's trying to break through the volume weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated, folks. Let's get a share party. Let's get the first 100 folks in here. Let's get some NRG, baby, NRG, because we're all about making some money, and some bricks. Make sure you're following us on the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money, and make sure you got your notifications on, because we got a whole bunch of good shows on. We got the Power Play show Monday through Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the weekend edition where we get our watch list ready for Monday, the weekend edition of Power Play at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday. And of course, don't miss out on the Microcap Morning Show with my illustrious co-host, the one and only D.B.L. Nick's in the house as the star of the show, and he chases all the parabolic plays in Microcap Mornings at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So make sure you're watching us on the YouTube at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and set your notifications. So we see that the price action had gone quite considerably up with PFSA. PFSA had gone up 253% and hit a high of approximately $16. $16 was actually $15.92. $15.92. Right now it needs to break through the volume weighted average of $11.92. It looks like it's trying to form what potentially could be a cup and handle pattern, which is a bull reversal pattern, but I want to see it break through this VWAP to be schmexy to me. I want to see some volume candles come in, and of course I want to see a continuation of the RSI moving up. Vic by God says good afternoon on YouTube. Good afternoon, brother. Welcome. Good to see you. All right. So that is what's going on with PFSA, and I got to tell you, the gift that keeps on giving doubles happens to be IPST. Let's go take a look at IPST. Let's take a look at it. This stock has been running parabolic cha-cha-cha for quite a while today, and it's been running parabolic actually for the past couple of days. It's got unconfirmed earnings in 2 weeks, 14 days on September 1st, and you could see that it hit a high of $22. $22. Yes, sir. And that's a new high of the day, doubles. That's a new high, doubles. It's a new high of the day, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah, like that, bro. Oh yeah. Hold on a second. I gotta talk to the Discord over here. Hold on a second. Some excitement going on. Holy Toledo, bro. Holy Toledo. I'm telling you. I'm just saying, bro. How much did I say it went up? $22. $22.06. $22.06. Oh my gracious. Holy Toledo. Oh yeah, doubles. Doubles, you're not as excited about it as I am, bro. What's going on, bro? Come on, bro. You know what it did? It formed a cup and handle, bro. And it broke out of the cup and handle. Here's your cup, and there's your handle, and it did the breakout right there. So let's go ahead and give it a Fibonacci retracement so we can get some key levels of support and resistance. Fibonacci retracement activated, bro. Activated. It's got resistance at $21.80. We want to see it break $21.80. The next resistance level after that would be probably around $24, around $24, yes sir. And it has support at around that $18 mark. So we'll keep an eye on it. The RSI is absolutely pushing the upper limits of being overbought and could potentially start to reverse. But so far we got volume candles showing us some love on ticker symbol IPST. IPST, yes sir. Vic, my God, on YouTube said he's stuck in SLE. Let's take a look at it, Vic. Let's see what's going on, man. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see. SLE, SLE. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at Bobo Beeps on YouTube said, howdy, Lima Charlie. Roger that, roger that. I want y'all to all get some money. So let's get some Bobo money and some Vic by God money. Come on, let's get some of that money, 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 money. Did I mention money doubles? I didn't mention bricks, did I? I forgot to mention bricks. We gotta have the bricks, bro. Goldie Brickstorm, she be making a lot of bricks. Yeah, a lot of bricks. Let's get a share party going on. We gotta get to our first 100, and we'll get into some more stocks as we get into the first 100. This is Super League Enterprises. This company has a history of popping up, and you can make a little money with it, but sometimes it kind of reverses and does some nasty stuff. Doubles. You know what I mean? Yeah. So Super League Enterprises shares were trading higher after the company announced the definitive agreement by Metaplanet to contribute 2,100 bitcoins. So that was the catalyst for SLE that pushed it up. But as you can see, it's below the volume weighted average right now. Let's go ahead and get the graffiti pencil activated and indicate exactly where the volume weighted average is, which is a natural barrier at this point. It's at $5.28. We can see that the price action looks like it's trying to potentially create a triple bottom, which would be a bullish pattern. But the issue is whenever these price actions are below the VWAP, you have a lack of volume, so you can get a lot of false signals from this. However, we do see that the RSI is trying to push upward, but it really needs to get a heck of a lot more volume. You can see that the volume picture really decreased significantly. But here's the good news. It is 1:37 p.m., so we still have a whopping 1 hour and 23 minutes before power hour, and hopefully volume will come in, and Vic, by God, you will hopefully be able to get yourself green, because green is good. It rhymes with good, doesn't it? They both start with a G. Green is good, right? They rhyme, right? Yeah. Red is nasty. Nah, no, I don't like red. No red for me. No red. No red. No red. Be green. Be green. And you know what? It's good for nature if you're being green. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, let's take a look at ticker symbol AIXC. This stock was very, very difficult to trade. You know what I mean? It just kept halting and halting and halting. It ran like a Dickens, doubles. I'm not going to lie. It ran like a Dickens. It ran up 300%. I think it was about 300%, right, doubles? Something like that, doubles? Something like that. Like that, bruh. Like that, bruh. But when you look at it closely, you can see that it just kept on halting, which suggests that there was a significant issue between the gaps between the ask and bid prices, and it just kept on halting up, which makes it very, very difficult to trade stocks that do that. You know what I mean, doubles? It makes it very difficult. And then when it finally hit a pinnacle at over $3, it started halting back downward. So it didn't totally round trip, but I got a nosebleed on this fall. I'm just saying, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this. No bueno, bro. No bueno. But right now it's consolidating below the VWAP. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Let's get it activated. Let's get that graffiti pencil. And the volume weighted average is at $1.77. $1.77. And the price actions below that. We obviously have a lack of volume at this moment because it is still before power hour, and we have a consolidation of the relative strength index, which suggests that there's a battle going on between the few buyers and sellers that are actually in this stock at the moment. What we're going to be looking for is a push by the relative strength index to the upside, volume coming in, and a break of this VWAP right over here with authority and with volume. That's what we want to see happen. But quite frankly, doubles, when the stock does almost a round trip, it kind of gives me the woolies, bruh. I mean, I know it's got news, and when we go to the custom scanners, though, I take a look and I see that it's only a 20 million float stock. I mean, not only, it's a 20 million float stock, and it only has 54 million in volume, so it's just a little over a 2x rotation of volume to float. And y'all know that I don't like low volume type of movements. It hurts my heart, I tell you. It hurts my heart. I don't like it. I don't like it at all, doubles. I'm just saying, bro. And anyway, the company announced it intends to move away from its digital asset treasury strategy, and that it's going to focus on robotics and things of that nature. Robotics. That's what it's thinking about doing, but the float's kind of on the heavy side. So we'll see what happens. We'll see. I'm going to go back to IPST. I want to see what that one's doing, because it started popping off again today, and it paid today, bro. It paid doubles. It went over the resistance line of the Fibonacci. It is over the Fibonacci. Will it hold, though? Top tails. I don't like them. You know I don't like them. Come on now. Get up there. Get on up. Off the top tail. Come on now. Get up. Get up, I tell you. Anyway, we'll keep an eye on IPST because it's trying to make some noise. Almost up 200%. Bobo Beeps on YouTube said, technically green and good don't rhyme. They're onomatopoeic. That's like a $75 word, Bobo. Thank you very much for the education, but green is good. So I want it to rhyme. Can we make it an exception for this one time? See, I made that rhyme, see? Uh-huh. Can we make an exception for this one time? See how I did that? See that? You see how I did that, Bobo? Come on now. Bobo, give me a little something on that. Come on now. Come on, Bobo. Come on, Bobo. All right, so Vic by God looking at AIXC next. You know, it's not my cup of tea, but I hope you make a lot of money with it. I don't particularly like it because it's a heavy floated stock. Once again, not stock or financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm thinking for myself. Not a stock or financial advisor. 20 million float is on the heavy side, and you only got 54 million in volume. Could it go up? Possibly. We get this information from the custom scanners, but for me, no bueno. For me, you know, at least not now. I need to see some courage. I need to see it break the VWAP. It's got to become schmexy. Yeah, see? Back to IPST. Let's go see what's going on with IPST. Let's take a look at it. It's trying to hold that level. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you're also following us on X.com, aka Twitter, at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. And of course, we're also on the Twitch at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney, and Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at CoachNickMoney. And don't forget about the TikTok, tiki-taki at DBLNicks. At DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Let's go, baby. All right, folks, we're sharing with you the custom scanners and news features from the private Discord. We also have a 4-day trial available for you so that you can check out the entire suite of tools and enjoy the chat and the community of the Banger Nation in the private Discord. The link is in the description and in the pinned comments. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Go ahead. On YouTube, Bobo Beep says, I will allow it. He's referring to green and good rhyming. I'm with you, Bobo. I mean, come on. It's about the money, baby. It's all about the money. Vic by God said, weird. I'm showing 10 mil float. You know what? Different scanners will show different things. But my scanner is going with 20, and based on the price action that we saw with AIXP, it looks to me like it's probably closer to the 20 than it is to the 10 because it's moved in such a choppy way. There was a lack of liquidity to push it in a very aggressive fashion. So that's the way I see it. I'm going to stick with the idea that it's a heavier floated stock because it's not moving like it has a 5x rotation. It's moving more like it has around a 2x rotation, and that's why you saw a lot of gaps in the candles. Oh, migration doubles. Oh my, IPST moving, doubles moving, coming up to resistance. Resistance is futile. Get the Borg out of here. Get them out of here. I tell you, 230%, and the price action's moving up $24.48. 231%. Let's get a share party going on. We're talking about money. Bricks, money, doubles. Did I say money? It looks like it halted, doubles. It halted. I want to talk to the Discord because we all happy in the Discord right now. Come on now. Come on, Discord. Here you go, baby. Come on now. Come on. New higher day. Doubles, new higher day. Doubles. It's a new higher day, bro. I get excited, bro. I like when things are bullish, bro. I'm a Bulls fan, and I ain't talking about Chicago. But I don't mind Chicago. I don't mind, bro. I don't mind, right? Doubles. I don't mind. I mean, I don't follow the game, so why not? Why not? It's much better than the Bears. Dag nabbit, them Bears, I tell you. Them there Bears, doubles. All right, so the stock is up 231%, percenta. IPST, multi-day runner. Looking schmexy to me, baby. All right, we will see what happens. It is getting a little bit on the extended side. Let's clear up some stuff over here. We can see that the RSI is now clearly in the overbought area, so a retracement downward in price action would not be surprising, especially as it starts to come to a resistance level. But maybe FOMO kicks in, doubles. I don't know. Could happen. It could happen, right? It could happen. So we'll see what happens with it. Meanwhile, it seems to be in a halt. Righteousness on X.com is asking about CAST cast. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at CAST. Let's take a look at it. And first thing we're going to do, we're going to visit our custom scanners, and we see that it has 82 million in volume, which is a significant amount of volume. It has earnings approximately in 14 days on September 1st, and it looks like it has formed, in fact, a cup and handle pattern after retracing from the previous high. So here's the cup, and there's the handle, or you could even say it's a double bottom, right? You could even say it's a double bottom if you want to, right? Both of them are bullish patterns. We see that the 9 EMA, which is a shorter wavelength indicator than the VWAP, is above the VWAP, and that is a good sign because it's much more reactive than the VWAP. So if it's on the top of the VWAP and pushing upward, that would be a solid signal that the price action is trying to make a bullish type of move. But what we don't see here on the RSI is we don't see the RSI starting to push upward. We want to see the RSI push upward to give us a confluence of evidence that the price action is moving up, and we want to see the volume candles moving up. But it is definitely moving, and it's hitting a key level that it needs to break, which is about $1.85. $1.85. We want to see it break the $1.85 price point for CAST, currently up 110%. Did I mention percenta? Percenta. I hope you make a lot of money. Righteousness on X.com. Righteousness money. Money. Ooh, I need some coffee, doubles, you know. I need me some coffee. Woo! All right. Bobo Beeps on YouTube says IPST started to run after my bricks were in the stable. Oh, buddy. Well, maybe you made some money with PFSA. Did you make money with PFSA earlier in the morning? Because that was another ticker that moved quite busily. PFSA. Doubles. Did we mention PFSA? We talked about it too. We did. Oh yeah. It's curling, doubles. It's breaking the cup and handle, doubles. It's breaking the cup and handle, doubles. Double X, bro. I gotta write a note to the Discord, doubles. You know that. You know I gotta write to the Discord. I'm always chatting with them. You know I do that, bro. You know I do that, right? Doubles. You know I do that, right? I always talk to the Discord. Hold on. All right, there we go. Spoke to the Discord. Gotta speak to the Discord. All right, so I guess we'll keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at AIXC. Vic by God was checking that one out. Let's take a look at it. Let's see if it's moving and grooving. Let's see if it's making a move to the VWAP. Not really yet. We will come back to it. Back to IPST. Oh my, still in a halt. All right, we will keep an eye on IPST, and now we're gonna go into the Fortnite game, the play portion of the show. The power portion of it is getting ready for Power Hour. The play portion of it is we're going to get ourselves a victory royale for the Banger Nation community, a.k.a. a Victor Romeo, as Bobo Beeps likes to call it, or, as we like to say, a dub for the community. Let's get a share party. We got 182 folks watching the stream right now. Let's get it to 200, 300, and then we'll get back to the stonks. IPST has resumed trading. Bobo Beeps on YouTube says there is a brick in my stable with the PFSA on it. Let's go with the money emoji. Oh yeah. Oh, hold on. Catwoman is doing a jiggamajoo right there. A jiggamajoo. Come on, mama. Keep dancing. I want to dance with you. There you go. We like pussy kittens, bro. Meow. Yeah, kitty cat. Come on now. Let's go. Oh, even the Skeletor is trying to do some of that, bro. Come on now. Oh yeah. We friends right now. Let's go, baby. Oh yeah. I like that, bro. Can I do that too? Wait, I can't do that. I want to do that. I want to do that. I don't know what that is, but I want to do what Catwoman is doing, bro. Come on. How do I do it? I'm trying to do it. I can't do it. All right. You know what? I'm going to do a little dance. Come on. I'm going to do a little dance. I guess not. I'm not doing a dance. Nah, doubles. Nah. I don't know. I think I want to go right over here, bro. I want to get my high level weaponry. Doubles. Did I mention that the season's gonna end in a couple of days, bro? Yeah. And you know what, right? You know who's coming to Fortnite, right? One of your favorites, bro. Should I tell the Banger Nation? Should I tell them, doubles?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be Sonic the Hedgehog. And DBLX is a big aficionado of Sonic the Hedgehog, right, doubles? Yes, you did. You did grow up with him, the Sonic Hedgehog, bruh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Why do I get garbage guns, bruh? What is going on here, bruh? What is going on here, bruh? Give me something good. Give me something good. Da-da. Why you giving me garbage weapons? Yeah. Come on, give me something good, bruh. Look at my weapons, doubles. What the heck, bruh? What is going on here, bruh? What is going on here, bruh? Bruh. Ooh, let's get that. Ooh. Candy. Ooh. Let's go. All right. I didn't get any shield, bro. You know that? I didn't get any shield whatsoever. Alright, we're gonna have to like come over here and loot a little bit, bro. Things ain't cooperating with me, bro. Ah, there you go. There's some weapon for you. What is that? Cube Dream Sprite. I don't know. Do I have that? I don't even know if I have that, bro. I don't know. I'm going into walls, bro. What's going on here, bro? Ooh, look at me, bro. Come on, give me some shield, bro. No shield? No, not even a little bit, bro. Not even a little bit. Doubles, no shield, bro. No shield, dude.
Yes, I even know what they're going to be adding to the battle pass and other things.
What are they adding, doubles?
They're adding Sonic the Hedgehog as a skin.
Yes, sir. I want that skin. I want the Sonic the Hedgehog skin, doubles.
Knuckles and Shadow and.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Really?
What's it called? Whatchamacallit there? The store there. Right? And then Spin Dash, which is going to be that mythical mobility item.
Doubles, do you believe that I finally just got some shield, bro?
Yes.
That's cray-cray, right, doubles?
Oh, yeah.
Cray-cray!
Yeah, they're going to add the Sonic Spin Dash to the mobility item. And Sonic right? And then he goes fast as heck.
Wow! I like it, doubles. I like it, doubles.
Oh, yes. You can also...
There's some enemies nearby, doubles?
Remember the junk rip?
There's some enemies nearby, doubles. Hold on. Please hold. There's some enemies nearby, bro. I think they're hiding, bro. Come on, give me that gun. Give it to me. Give it to me. Now. I want it and I know you do, bro. Come on now. Hold on. Please hold. Huh. Doubles. Double X, bro. Oh, yeah. Did you see how I got the weaponry, bro? I got the weapon. The weapons, baby.
Where are these enemies that you
What happened? I don't know. I heard somebody, bro, but I guess not. I guess they saw the coach and they said, nah, no, baby. No, somebody's shooting at me, bro. Somebody just shot at the coach just now, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. They're being evil, bro. Somebody shooting at me, bro. Right there, bro. Two of them fools, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. What are y'all doing, bro? Come on, give me that. Give me that. I stole it. I stole it. Mine. Give me that, bro. Give me that, bro. Look, they took some of my shield away from me, bro. Can you imagine these fools trying to percolate with the coach? What's going on, bro? They can't be percolating with me, bro. Can't have none of that, bro. Can't have none of that. Wow, I'm out of ammo, bro. Doubles, I'm out of ammo. Oh, look, Lloyd. They didn't have a lot of ammo, these guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Whoa! 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 What do you do? What do you do? Whoa! 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 Let's percolate over here. Let's percolate. Let's shield up and have a battle royale, doubles. Let's do it, bro. What do you think, bro? Get out of here, bro! Yes, sir. He didn't expect that, bro.
No, I figured he was that bad.
Well, whatever. He's DEA. DEAD. DEAD, bro. Oh, look at that. Whatever, bro. You say tomato, I say tomato, bro. Whatever. Eliminated, bro. Elimination, bro. Double. Eliminated, bro. Eliminated. Eliminated them, bro. Oh, yeah. We had to take care of some bees knees, bro. Some bees knees right there. Oh, yeah. They were evil. Evildoers. We have to eliminate them. We had to, doubles. We had to, I tell you. Oh, yeah, doubles. Oh, yeah. How we doing, doubles? How we doing? Are we doing good? We doing good?
Yeah.
We doing okay, bro? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, I need ammo. Need some ammo. Need ammo. AR. Look, there's an AR place over here I could get some ammo. Oh, they got problems because I'm going to have a lot of AR ammo, bro. Oh, muy bueno, muy bueno. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Whoop, I didn't mean to do that, bro. I didn't mean to do that. Nah, I didn't mean to do that. Nah. No. What else we got? We got the booties. We got the jabooties. We got them. We got ourselves some jabooties, doubles. All right, let's get this going, doubles. Let's get it going, bro. Oh, yeah. I think we should get another little slurpy slurp. What do you think, bro? Oh, yeah. Look, doubles. They still got the slingers, bro. They still got the slingers, bro. They still got them, bro. Look at that. Ooh, look, I fly like an eagle. Ooh, flying. I fly like an eagle. Fly pelican. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Doubles. Uh-oh. Look, they got a Batmobile over here, too? Come on, bro. Seriously, bro? They got the Batmobile over here, bro. Oh, yeah. I want it and I need it. I'll take it. I'll take it, doubles. I'll take it. Did somebody just shoot at me, bro? I could have sworn somebody just shot at the coach, bro. I don't know. We'll just keep going, bro. We'll just keep going, bro. It don't matter none. They might want to be evil with us. Paradigm on Twitch. What's going on, my partner? Money, 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 money. Money. Bless you, money. Shoot. $50 bill, $100 bill. What is this, bro? What is this, bro? Bada boinga! Bada boinga! Doubles, did I say bada boinga?
Yeah.
I did, right? Yo, why did I lose my whip, bro? Come over here, whip. I needs my whip, bro. That was the fella that was shooting at me, doubles. Did you catch that? I didn't do nothing to him, but you know, I had to do like a little correction for that fella because you know he was misbehaving. Not my fault. Not my fault that you're misbehaving and I had to correct you. You know? If your mammy and your pappy don't correct you, I correct you. I eliminate you. Right, Doubles? Yes, sir. Alright. I'm thinking I'm just gonna like travel a little bit, do a little driving, you know, a little road trip over here. You know what I mean? Doubles. FCUV has run in the past and it's moving now up 51%. Did I mention percenta? Percent. That's my way of saying percent, Doubles, you know? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, where's the enemy? Let me at them. I want the enemy. I need the enemy right now. I'm feeling kind of thirsty, Doubles, you know? I wanna thirst them. Paradigm said sup working. You're working. You should be playing fork and knife. No? That's what I think the world should. The world would be a better place if we all played Fortnite. I'm just saying, bro. I'm not angry, bro. I like Fortnite. I will be playing Fortnite at 5 p.m. Let's go, baby! You need to send me an invite, please. I don't want to be too clingy or anything like that, but you know what I'm saying? Maybe a little bit of an invite, you know? We can play the Fortnite duos or squads or whatever y'all prefer, you know what I mean? Paradigm. Gotta check her out. Ooh, we got an enemy up ahead. Enemy, Bubbles. Enemy right there, bro. Oh no! What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Alright, whatever, bro. Where you at? Right there. Right there. There he goes. The fighting, bro. Up and bring up. Poor fella. That poor dude. Doubles. Look, Doubles. I eliminated them, bro. Poor fella. I feel terrible. Doubles, come on. It's for the show. Come on. Let's make believe we feel terrible. Come on. Ooh, poor fella. I'm so upset he's spaghetti that I had to eliminate him. Cause you know I would never expect him to dance on me if he eliminated me. No. And you know I wouldn't.
What?
No, he would never do that to me. Nah, Doubles, nah. You know none of these folks. Oh no, Doubles, don't gloat, Doubles. I'll do that. There's enemies right there, bro. Look, enemies right there, bro. Right over there, bro.
I say no.
Doubles, there's enemies here, bro. Vibration, bro. No! I don't want the bus driver, bro. I don't want the bus driver. I want a victory royale, bro. I want to eliminate them, bro. I want to eliminate somebody, bro. I got ammo, bro. Yeah, I gotta get to the bus, bro. Where is the bus, bro? Man, I had good weapons too, bro. This is annoying me, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. They hadn't had this for a while, bro. What the heck, man? I know, bro, but this is like disappointing, bro. It's disappointing me, bro. It's bothering me, son. I'm not gonna lie to you. It bothers me. It bothers me a little bit, you know? It's bothering me. It bothers me, son. It bothers me. Alright. That's what I want to do. I want to eliminate you. I want to eliminate you. Huh. I want to eliminate you. I'm just saying, bruh. Bruh. Eliminate the enemies, I tell ya. Eliminate them. Elimination for the Banger Nation. Yes, sir. Let's go! And I'm the only one with the victory royale because I kept all them bums off the bus. You didn't have your bus fare, you don't get to win the victory royale for the community. The Banger Nation is victorious. Doubles, I want to take a picture of the victory royale for the community, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Doubles. Hold on. I want to post it in there. Doubles, maybe you might want to put it on the social media. Oh, there you go. Victory royale for the community, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I tell ya. Yeah, Doubles. We just got a victory royale for the community.
You want me to play the okay.
Bobo Beef says, I noticed that Doubles doesn't play the slumber song for the victims. I guess, I noticed that you don't do that, Doubles. I noticed that. I don't know. Maybe Bobo's onto something. I don't know. You know what I mean? Paradigm says, you got it. How's the stocks today? They were running like a Dickens. We had a big runner with PFSA. We got a big runner with IPST. We had a big runner with AIXC. Oh my goodness, we had a lot of runners today. A lot of the stocks ran. Bobo Beef says, Victor Romeo, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, baby, yes sir. Slumber. Oh, I could get into this song. It's a good song, bro. It's a good song when they get it. Doubles. Can we do like a replay from the loser's perspective? Because, we always feel so bad for the losers. Losers perspective time. It's losers perspective time because we feel so bad for them, Doubles. Let's go and get a replay going on. What do you think, Doubles? Shall we do it for the Banger Nation? Dong, the bells are tolling. I'll tell you, we're almost at 420 for the memes. We're almost at 420 for the memes. Let's go to 500. Oh, Doubles, I had 7 eliminations that game, bro. I was a little thirsty. I was trying to get some hot C, bro. Thirstiness, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, let me point out that we also have a free Discord community, and we're going to be putting out a free alert today for the free Discord community. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Click the link to join the Discord for free, baby. Yes, sir. It gives you a little taste of what the VIP has. Look, Doubles. I was jamming with the Catwoman, bro. Look. We were getting all loose and tight with Catwoman, and then the Renegade Raider came in and started doing his thing, bro. We were all friends before the Battle Royale, before it. Now let's get to the end of the game and let's take a look at it from the loser's perspective. We always feel bad for the losers, right, Doubles? We feel bad for them. And we're not gloating. No, we're not gloating. No. I am positioning myself to get a victory royale for the community. Let's take it from the loser's perspective. He put a little love bubble up that evaporated. He's got his little snipey snipe. He didn't wear his little booties. I don't know why he didn't have the speed booties, bro. He should have gotten some speed booties, Doubles. What do you think, bro? And maybe another little love button. Oh no, bing bong. Hit it, Doubles. Come on. I gotta do it again, bro. I gotta do it again. Doubles, hold on, bro. Come on, bro. We're showing it from the loser's perspective. It's King Brian, poor fella. Oh, migration. Oh! Slumber. Oh, that hurt my heart, poor fella. Bless his heart, poor fella. All right, there's another loser loitering. Riley gets paid. Oh, yeah? You're getting paid? Yeah? You're going the wrong way, fella. You're going the wrong way. You need to run away, buddy.
Whoever's paying you is wasting their money.
Look at him. Look at him. He's got his little jabooties on. He's building a little house on the prairie. Come on now. Build it out of metal, man. You gotta do the metal piggy, not the wood piggy, bro. Cause otherwise you get eliminated. Oh, wait. Like that, bro. And we got the victory royale for the community, and we were very humble, and we wanted to show it from the losers' perspective because we felt so bad for them. That's right, the losers. They lost, those poor fellas. All right, so IPST had resistance on resumption. IPST had resistance on resumption and pulled back down and landed underneath the Fibonacci at $22. So that's the end of that. Let's take a look at XOS. XOS, it had a contract with the government, Doubles. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make sure you're joining the free Discord to see the Discord exclusive live stream. And today we will be dropping a free alert for those of you that join the free Discord. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. But if you want the full boat and you want access to the custom scanners and the news features and the research features and the full VIP treatment by being able to chat with the VIP chat and get a one-on-one session with myself, you could speak to the people that have already been through the VIP program. They'll tell you what's up. Go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment for a 4-day trial, in the VIP scanner for $9.99. Also, make sure you're representing the Banger Nation if you love the Banger Nation and you represent the Banger Nation. If you need a t-shirt for yourself, fall's coming soon, you might want a little hoodie, Banger Nation style, maybe a cup, maybe a tumbler, a t-shirt, I said a t-shirt, right?
Yeah.
Stickers, mouse pad, y'all name it, we got it. Go ahead and check it out in the merch store. The link's in the description and in the pinned comments.
Yay.
So go check it out. Vic by God on YouTube is asking about CAST. Let's take a look at CAST. Let's go. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at the pathway. And it is, no, this is cash. Let's go to CAST, CAST. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go and take a look at it in the custom scanners. We can see that the volume has increased to 91 million and it is up 103%. It had formed this double bottom, or if you want, a cup and handle, but there is resistance at around $1.85 and it is having difficulty breaking through it. It's going to need volume. We want to see the RSI start to move up. We want to see the volume candle start to move up. The good news is it is above the VWAP, but there is a bit of a gap between the 9 EMA and the VWAP, so hopefully volume will come in and push it up, and Vic by God will make some Vic money. Did I mention money? Money! Bobo Beep says 3 of the bricks in my stable have XOS on them. Let's go, baby! Bricks, Bobo bricks on XOS. XOS had news earlier in the morning. It's an 8 million float stock. Little higher than usual, but not horrible. 98 million volume. Lot of rotation of volume to float. We like that. It's currently up 108%. Hold on, we're trying to get it up here. Let's go. Refresh it. My pleasure, Vic by God. My pleasure. Okay, so the stock and the company announced that it had been awarded a prototype other transaction agreement by the United States Air Force to develop and deliver a deployable mobile charging solution for electrified support equipment and vehicles. That was the catalyst. Right now it is slightly below the VWAP. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Let's get it activated, I tell ya. And the volume weighted average is at $4.42. It needs to break above it. The RSI is moving upward, so we will see what happens with that, but it needs volume to look more schmexy to me, and I hope you all made a lot of money today. The market was popping off a little bit today, Doubles. There was a lot of stocks that moved today. You know that, Doubles? There was quite a few. Yes, sir. Okay, let me get serious for a second. quick thing before we wrap up. If you've been watching and you're serious about small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together. As I mentioned before, we have a 4-day full access pass to the Discord for $9.99, which is dirt cheap, okay? Because you're going to get the full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list that almost always has 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that end up running the next day. You'll see the 24/7 market news flow, pre-market scanners, regular hours, and after-hour scanners that include float, volume, and catalyst context built right in. And you'll see the special scanner called the ticker tape, built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. This isn't noise. It's how we create structure in the market. And if that's how you want to approach this market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live for yourself. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. And when you come in, let us know that you saw us on the stream. We love that. Folks, you are absolutely amazing. I hope you make a lot of money. I hope you learned a lot from the stuff that I was teaching you. And I hope you had a couple of laughs from the Fortnite game. And, of course, we got the Victory Royale for the community, because that's what we do. All right, folks, you are absolutely amazing. I hope you achieve all your goals, your aspirations, and your dreams. We love you very much. Be inspirational to others, because why not? Why not? It makes them feel good, but it makes you feel even better. Do it. It's awesome. It's incredible. All right. Much love, folks. We're out.